So I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I thought if these professionals are coming to put on a workshop, I must be able to get something out of it and nothing to lose. And yeah, it was really good. Yeah, I would recommend it for people, especially if they are in that, I guess, a family farming situation that can often make those business relationships a little bit more complex because they're also family relationships as well. So yeah.
Learned all about how to communicate with different range of personalities and about succession planning and how to communicate with older people and other family members if you're not on the same level.
We probably could have done a week's worth of that sort of workshopping. It was really good though. I learned a lot about how other people might perceive things differently to how I would perceive them or what I'm trying to get across.
I reckon it'd be important in coming years, not only back moving home to the farm. I will have to be dealing with different family members, both in succession planning as well as in management of the farm.
Oh, I just realised how vast the difference is in the way people think. Like it's not just a small difference. Like it is completely different. Yeah, so you kind of have to be keeping that in mind for the rest of your life.
I'm on a family farm and I've got a dad and brother both on the farm, so there's a lot of just every day really there's communication with operational things, what's happening, and then big picture things, what's coming up in the future. So yeah, just being able to recognise, I guess, how they're feeling through the ways that they're communicating, even if it's non-verbal, and be able to tailor, I guess, what you're communicating to get the results that you're sort of after.